What's up guys, welcome to the new video. I need to wait a little bit for the thing that I wanted to show you, but maybe let's go further and I will tell you what I wanna do next with Astra, its small little project. So basically I wanna do something like this here, CAR plaque with my logo. I don't know if I will do it with like the straight one or maybe this with the curve. I will see. I need to print this, cut it out. So first thing, now I'm gonna cut it out and we will paint this on the metal. Now we have our template attached to this, and now I'm gonna spray paint so we get like the outline of this. Okay, so for now we have something like this. Now we're gonna cut it. First we need to get rid of this, so I'm gonna cut it like this line on both sides. Then I'm gonna do two cuts in the middle on the back, so we can like take only the top part and cut this thing off, and then we will start to cut out the emblem and start to grind it down so it will have the shape we want. Hey guys, remember, safety first. Okay, so here we are back with our plate, and now we need to cut this logo out. Now I'm going the slow way. I'm drilling holes around it, and then I'm going with files and slowly grinding this off. It's not the fastest way, but at least I can be accurate and hit every detail. So there's only two ways of doing this. I can keep drilling and grinding with files, or I will need to go tomorrow and buy something to speed up the work, maybe some hair saw, or I don't know. I don't have proper tools to make things like this for now, so I will just keep going with the files and see how much I will get done, and then I will think about getting some other tools. I wanted to do this with this thing, but apparently I don't have the right końcówka for this.